Entry level is a relative term deep into the luxury universe where the Bentley Bentayga lives. Yet, with a starting price that's $64,100 lower and a 542 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 in place of the ultra-luxe SUV's optional 600 horsepower with 12 engine, that's exactly what the new for 2019 Bentayga V8 is. Don't worry, you can still spend crazy money on a Bentayga V8, as demonstrated by our example's $243,325 as tested price, which included $75,600 in optional equipment. No matter its engine, the Bentayga's mission remains the same, fending off the likes of Maserati's Levante, upper-level Range Rovers, and Rolls-Royce's Cullinan as well as upcoming pricey SUV competitors from Ferrari, Mercedes-Maybach, and others. Obviously, we were curious how much slower the Bentayga V8 might be relative to its 12-cylinder sibling. It turns out that it's barely slower at all. Even with 76 fewer horsepower and 4 fewer cylinders. The Bentayga V8 matched the 3.6-second 0 to 60 mph time of one of the two 12-cylinder models we've tested. A different 12-cylinder Bentayga accelerated to 60 mph in 3.5 seconds. Accelerating beyond 60 mph, the Bentayga V8 starts to cede ground to the more powerful W-12 model, which can reach 100 mph far more quickly. But given how rarely owners are likely to find themselves racing other Bentaygas at triple-digit speeds, we think the V8 model's quickness up to and around highway speeds is laudable.